and welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting our third lecture of Python programming course, Operators in Python, and we have completed our all two lectures. If you have not already watched that lecture yet, so please watch that video and then continue with this video. Okay. So our third lecture is Operators in Python. We have all seven operators: arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity. So let's talk about in brief, and let's begin this lecture. Please like and subscribe my channel, and if you are new, so please hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's begin. So this is our roadmap of this lecture. There are seven operators families. First is our arithmetic operator, that's perform math on numeric values. Second is our comparison operator, that's compare two values and return a bull. Bull means true and false. That's we discussed in our previous lecture. And third is assignment operator, that assign or update a variable values. And fourth is logical operator, that's combined conditional expression. What is conditional expression? That we will talk in our next lecture in brief. Conditional expression like if else and else if. Okay. And fifth one is bitwise operator, that operate directly on binary bits. What is bits? Bits means 0 and 1. Okay. And binary bits. Okay. And membership operator test if a value exists in a sequence, like in and not in type. And yeah, and identity operator is that's for compare object identity, not value. So this is whole roadmap of this lecture, seven operators family, and we will discuss in brief. Okay, so let's move forward. So our first operators are arithmetic operators, and there are some meanings. Arithmetic operator that's truly match with some board mass. You already learned in previous classes in 6 and 7. There is a board mass rule. So here is also some arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, that's a divisor, floor division, modulus division, exponent, that's mean of power. So this is the all arithmetic operator, all seven arithmetic operators, and here are some examples. So let's do one by one in brief on VS Code. Okay, so let's move forward. So in previous class we completed the variable and data type, and today we create a new file, operators.py. Done. Okay, so all these things like let's take an example. If a equal to 10 and b equal to 3, so let's check one by one. Then print a plus b. Okay, output is 13. Correct. Next, print a minus b. Output is 7. Correct. Then print a into b. Output is 30. And next, print a divided output is 3.333. That's all correct. Okay, and what are all correct? And we have some modulus operator, we have some floor division, and we have some exponential function. Okay, So modulus print A modulus B. Modulus means let's find the remainder. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. What is the output? So output is 1, correct? And next, print A floor. These are two division. Floor means let's find the quotient. Its value is 3. Correct? That's the quotient and 1 is the remainder. And the main thing about the power, exponential. So print A exponential means 2 strings. Okay? B. The value is 1000. 1000. So this is all about arithmetic operator, and I'll find the all answer. I'm just find the all answer of the arithmetic operators, and we will discuss the all types of arithmetic operators here. Okay. So if you have some problem, so you just change some value like 8 and 5. Okay. 8 5 13, 8 minus 5 3, 8 into 5 40, 8 divided by 5 1.6, 8 modulus 5 3, 8 floor 5 floor division 5. That's find the quotient. That give us the quotient, uh, 1 uh, 1. Okay. And 8 to the power 5, that's value is 3276. So this is all about the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay. So just comment out this. So we move forward to the next operator. And I think it's all done, all syntax done. So let's move forward to our second operator, that are comparison operators. So what do you mean by comparison operator? So comparison operator that compares some values and give us the value is bool. Always result is always bool. Okay, bool means true and false, boolean value. So we have some 6 type of comparison operators. We have double equal to, that's comparison equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and a less than equal to. Okay. So these are all our comparison operators, and we have to perform some tasks based on this comparison operator. So let's do on VS Code. Comparison operator. Okay, so A equal to 10, B equal to anything 20. Okay, so print A equal to B. What is the output? What do you think? I think false. False. False, correct. Then print A is not equal to. This is the sign of not equal to. Exclamation mark and equal to. Okay. Okay. What is the output you think? I think it's true because A equal to 10 and B equal to 20 and both are not equal to. Okay. So it's also false. Sorry, it's also true. 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 Correct. So let's move forward and print uh, greater than. Okay. If A is greater than B, correct or no? Just tell me. If A is greater than B, 10 is never greater than 20, so it's false. then the output is false. Correct? Next, A is less than B. What do you think? What is the output? True, because 10 is less than 20. True. Correct? Let's move. Then print A is greater than equal to B. Is correct or not? Just tell me. A is not greater than, A is not equal to B. Okay, so it's false. I do it. I also run at one at a time. I also run all these things at a time. But I just want to analyze that how these things work, how the code will be work. So just assume, just analyze how this thing works, and don't forget all these things. This is very important in all this Python. Okay, so you always work with some operators in our upcoming classes, in our upcoming videos. So please more focus on this operator. That operator is really, really very useful to us. Okay, and always useful in Python. So be focused. And the next one is print A is less than equal to B. And what is the output you think? It's true. True. All correct? False, true, false, true, false, true. All correct? So if you want, you can change the value here. You also give some user value, but I will tell you in further video. Okay. So don't worry. So just change 20 here and 10 here. Then the whole value, you will see the final output value. What is that? False, true, false, true, true, because 20 is greater than 10. Okay, and there is also false because 20 is less than 10, not possible, and there is true, then 20 is greater than correct, and 20 is less than equal to 10, so that's false. So this is all about. Okay, and I think we have we have we don't have any type of doubt in comparison operator at this time, so let's move forward. And let's move our. So currently we have done with arithmetic operator and comparison operator. So our next operator is, so all done, and that result is always bull. So let's move further our third operator, that is the assignment operator. There is some syntax and there is some meaning of the assignment operator. Here, so we have currently 6 type of operators. Okay, so what does it mean? Assignment operator that assigns some value. In first video, that assign or update variable value. Like if you have to update some values in our code, you have to assign some value. So we have used some assignment operator. That equal to is our assignment operator that we also know. So here are some assignment operators that we have some six assignment operators. So is equal to, that assign, plus equal to add and assign, minus equal to subtract and assign, and multiply equal to multiply and assign, greater division equal to must divide and assign, and floor division, like first of all floor division and then assign, and then power and assign. We have also 6 approx 7. Okay, so one by one let's check, like just assignment operator. I also do all these things in fast mode, but I just want to tell you all about this in brief, like you just think how this thing works. So uh, I just go slowly, and then if we have done all these operators, then if we have some practice question, and all these things good. So this is our assignment operator. Just assign some value like a equal to 10. Then print there. What is the value? So value is 10, correct? Now just add some value. And what is the second one? Plus equal to, okay, so just a plus equal to 5. Then what is the value of a? Just think 1 minute. Just think 2 to 3 seconds and tell me what is the value of a. You know what the value of a now is 15. That assigns some value, that is 15, correct? So what does it mean? It means that a equal to a plus 5. This is okay. So now the value is 15, and the next one is a minus equal to 5. That means a equal to a minus 5. Now print. What I think it's currently a equal to 15. Now a equal to what? 10, because 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Not a equal to 10. Here a are 15, because Python are interpreted language, so it's work one by one. So it does not work at time. So it's work one by one. Okay. So it's 10, because here we have just assigned a value, that's a 15, and we have minus equal to 5, then the value is 10. Okay. So therefore the beauty of the interpreted language of Python. So this is all about assignment. There we have done with all our 3 functional assignment operators. So this is all about the Python. So let's move forward. Now a, because it's run all the code one by one, so therefore it gives the value. And the next one is multiply equal to, that means x equal to 5. Now the value of a is 10. Okay. What does it mean? It means a equal to a into 5. Okay. Now print a. Then see the value. 50. All correct. So all done. All done with about our assignment operator a plus equal to 5, a minus equal to 5, and a equal to 5, because it's run all the code one by one, line by line. Okay. And in compiler, that code will be executed all at a time. Okay. So this is a difference between the compiler and interpreter. So 50, and let's move forward. And again, and the next one is divide equal to. Okay. So a divide equal to what is the value now? 50. So a divide equal to 5. Let's take 5. Okay. What does it mean? It means a equal to a divided by 5. Now print a. Ten point zero. Why is 10.0? Why is the what do you mean 10.0? It's a floating point number. Okay. Why is 10.0? Because it's just a division. When you have to put some division value, then it's also in a floating point number. Always remember. There is some MCQ question there. You find why this is a floating point number. Okay. Then move forward. A. Now the most important thing is our floor division, and now C. And now 10. So just comment out, and the value is now 50. Okay, so a divided by again 5, and just assume what is the value of a. What do you think? Same, it's a division. I think it's a 10.0. What do you think? I think I'm correct. Just think, bro. Just think, guys. What do you mean? Okay, it's a always it's a 5. It's always a 10, not 10.0. Okay, so this is about the difference between the floor and the only division. Okay, so the next one is a equal to power test to 3. Now a equal to 10 and 10 to the power 3 equal to 1000. So what does it mean? It means a equal to a power 3 exponent. And now print a. Okay, so just think 1000, correct? So this is all about the assignment operator, and we deal with equal to sign, plus equal to sign, minus equal to sign, asterisk equal to sign, division equal to sign, floor division equal to sign, exponent double asterisk equal to sign. That's the exponential. There we just find power. So this is all about the assignment operator. Just comment out, and at this point we have dealt with all our three operator: arithmetic, comparison, and assignment operator. Then move forward to our next operator. That's just say here x equal to 10, 10 plus equal to 5, 15, minus equal to 3, 15 minus 12, 3, and 12 into 2 equal to 24. All correct, all about the syntax, about this assignment operator. And let's move forward. So this is our logical operator. Our fourth family of operator are logical operator. Uh, that's meaning is what? We have all three types of logical operators: and, or, and not. And it's give us true if both are true. Okay, if both are true, it gives us true value. Or means what? It gives true if either is true. What does it mean? And next is not, that reverse the result. Okay, so let's take an example here. A equal to true, b equal to false. What do you mean and? If both are true, then the value is true. A and b both are not true, false. Any one is true. True if either is true. Okay, a or b, a is true, then b is true. Print not here. That reverse the result. A is true, then reverse of true is false. That's the meaning it used to combine condition. What do you mean by condition? Like what is if? What is the if here? So this is a conditional statement, and we will deal all these conditional statement in our next lecture. So this is all about if, and there is something here. So don't worry if you don't understand this code here. Don't worry, I will all these things. So currently we have just dealt with logical operator, all these three types of operator. So let's deal in practical way. So logical operator. Logical operator. So a equal to true, b equal to false, correct? Now print a and b. The output is what? If both are true, then the output is true. Okay, here if both are not true, a equal to true and b equal to false, so the output is false. Now print A or B. So what is the output? Because what do you mean by or? If any either one is true, then the output is true. Okay. So A is true, therefore the output is true. Just run the file. False is correct and true is also correct. And the last one is not. Print A not B. Okay. All correct. Not. I just done a mistake here. That's the not operator that records a value. So we only deal with the only one. Okay. So what do we mean by one syntax? That's not A. Okay. And the output is A is true, then the output is false. What is the output? Just false. Correct. So this also try print not of B. Hence B equal to false, then the output is true, true, true. Correct. So all types of logical operator, I think there is no doubt here in logical operator. I think we deal with all types of logical operator. So I hope you understand all these things very well. So let's move forward and let's move our fifth operator. That is, let's try this code. Okay. Don't under I know you didn't I know you don't understand at this point about this code, but let's try. Okay. So let's try. What do you mean about this code? I will give you some assumption like just think A equal to 20. Okay. And A is greater than if A is greater than equal to 18 and uh, and A is less than equal to 25. Correct. A18 say greater and A is less than 25. So this one, if A is greater than this and A is less than equal to this, so just give us colon and then why this cursor start from here? Why? This is called indentation. Indentation means 4 space or 1 tab. This distance is 1 tab, like 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 space is also correct. Okay, and 1 tab. Okay, so now print adult. Not just take a condition about adult 60. Okay, so print adult. Okay, and we also take some condition else. Print not adult. Not adult. Okay, just do some grammatical error. So just print. What do you mean by the output is? So the output is adult. So this is all about conditional statement and there is some basic idea. So we will discuss in the whole lecture in our next lecture. So don't worry. Okay. So let's move forward to our next lecture. Next operator, that is bitwise operator. This operator is one of the most important operators in our operator family. This is very, very, very important. So please, please focus on this operator. Okay, please give us extra effort to understand this operator as well. Okay, and if you don't understand, I will full try that. I hope you understand. But if you don't understand, let's watch these operators again and again and practice some more questions. Then you will really find, and then you will really understand these operators. Okay. So this is all about the bitwise operator that deal with. Already I will told you bitwise operator directly on binary bits. That only deal with binary bits. Okay. So we have six type of bitwise operator: and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, and bitwise not, left shift, right shift. What do you mean? What does it mean? I think you don't understand here. But let's do practically, then you will clearly understand it. You will clearly understand. Okay. So this is all about the sign of the bitwise operator, and this one bitwise OR and bitwise XOR, like exclusive OR. That means exclusive OR. Bitwise not, left shift, right shift. Okay. So let's take an example. One by one, please understand one by one. I hope you will really understand all this topic. So let's move forward. Bitwise. Bitwise operator. Okay. So if A equal to 10 and B equal to 4, I think 4. So we deal with this example. So we will clearly understand what the value is. So what is the binary value of this? So this is 1010 0123. Because how is this possible? How will you find this? This is a very interesting thing in the ECU topic. So just find the first bit start with 2 to the power 0, and the second is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and after all this move forward. Okay, then 2 to the power 0, what? 2 to the power 0, here 0. Okay, 2 to the power 1, here 1, and like 2 to the power 0, here 0, that's not value. Okay, 2 to the power 1, 2. Okay, you don't use 2 to the power 0 and any of the power of 0 equal to 1. That's not a point here. Just assume 2 to the power 0 here, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power, just here. 1 second. Here. Here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. Okay. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2. So here the value here is 2. Okay, here is 2. Just assume 1 second. Here. Okay. Here 2 to the power 0 means here 2 to the power 0 means 0. 1 second. Here. 1 second. I know currently 0 is the error. Okay. And here 2 to the power 1, here value is 2. Just and the value, just after find the value, just add. Okay. So 0. After this 0, just add 0 plus. Okay. 2 to the power 0, 0 है यहाँ पे, and here 2 to the power 0 is 0, and 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 plus 2 to the power 2 0 0 plus 2 to the power 3 8. The value is 10. Value 10. Correct. Here just tell me what is the binary value of B4. So the 4 is 0. 1 second. 0 0 and correct, and here 1 and here 0. 1 second, here 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0, just find the sum, then 0 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 2. 2 to the power 2, 4 plus 2 to the power 3, 0. The value is 4. This from this method we will find the value of binary value of a and b. Okay, so now let's test all bitwise operator one by one. Okay, so let's print a and b. Means what? Means this, like if 0 0 both are 1, then the output is 1. If 1 both are 0, then the output is 0. If 1 are 0 and 1 are 1, the output is also 0. Okay, so if both are 1, then the output is 1. Okay, so here just think here 0 0 0, the value is 0, the value is 0. 1 0 0, the value is 0. 0 1 0 1 0, the value is 0. 1 0 0, the value is 0. Then see what is the output. Output is 0. I told you the output is 0. So this is how a bitwise operator works. Okay, so let's move to our next operator, that are a or. Okay, so this is the or sign, that is on the upper of enter button, enter keyboard, enter QWERTY key in our keyboard. Okay, so what does it mean? Or means if anyone uh, if anyone out of these two binary bits, if anyone is 1, the output is 1. Like 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. How this thing works? Okay, so let's try. Let's try to find 0 0 0. Correct? Like just imagine, just here. Okay, just like if anyone is 1, the output is 1. Okay, so 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 0 1 1, and 1 0 1. Correct? So what is the output? 0 1 2 3. So like just add like 2 to the power 0 0 plus 2 to the power 1 1 plus 2 to the power 1 2, sorry, 2 plus 2 to the power 2 4 plus 2 to the power 3 8. So 8, 12 and 2 14, that is 14. Correct? This is the output. 14. Correct? Okay, so let's move forward. Now the third one is XOR. XOR means this is bitwise AND, this is bitwise AND, this is bitwise OR, and the third one is bitwise XOR. this one. What do you mean by XOR? XOR means exclusive OR. What does it mean? It means if both bits are same, if both bits are same, the value is 0. If both bits are different, the value is 1. Simple one. Both bits are 0, 0. Both bits are 1, the value is 1. Sorry. If both bits are 0, the value is 0. If both bits are same, not 0. Just listen. If both bits are same, the value is 0. If both bits are different, like 1, 0, 0, 1, then the value is 1. Okay, just right here. If both bits are same, then value is 0. And if both bits are different, the value is 1. Correct? So what does it mean? It means if A XOR, that's just to find the value. 0, 0, 0 same, the value is 0. 1, 0 different, the value is 1. 0, 1 different, the value is 1. And 1, 0 different, the value is 1. What is the output? The output is 14. Correct? Just see. 14. Correct? So how these things work? Just see. Okay. Now let's move forward. So the next one is bitwise NOT. What do you mean bitwise NOT? Like print A not each type, that's not of A. What do you think the answer is? Just see the output, then I will just give you the clear example of this NOT. Okay, minus 11, A equal to 10, so minus 11. What does it mean? Why is minus 11? Why? The most interesting part is here about this bitwise NOT operator. Like it's a minus 11. Why? So it's bitwise NOT means what? Bitwise NOT flip the current bit. Like 0 equal to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. This type. Okay. So and if you have some formula means how you find the value. So if you find some NOT, if any value like NOT of A, this is the tilde sign who is upper on the tab inside of QWERTY keyboard. So okay, so this the formula is minus of A plus 1. This is the formula. If you find any MCQ question regarding bitwise NOT operator, so you have to just do this. Then you clearly find. Okay, so if A equal to 10, so what is the value? 10 plus 1, 11, and this value is minus 11. So therefore the output is minus 11. Okay, so let's try for one more. Print this one, tilde of B. What do you answer? The answer is minus 5. Okay, so just see the output. So the output is minus 5. So we currently deal with AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, and bitwise NOT. Okay, So let's move forward to our next bitwise operator. These are two very important bitwise operators, that is left shift and right shift. What does it mean? So let's explain practically, and let's do practically all this thing, and you will be clearly understand after completing this bitwise operator. Therefore, I give the more extra effort and extra time to this bitwise operator, because this bitwise operator is one of the most important operator in our Python. Okay, and not in Python, in all types of language. If you learn C, C++, Java, I think currently in C there is a very important, the bitwise operator is very important. Okay, so let's move forward. So left shift and right shift. So now print A, left shift B. What does it mean? What does it mean? Just say here. I'm just doing some wrong thing here. Not A equal this one and think it's 2. What does it mean? I will explain. This means that if you have A, the binary value of A is 1010. So 2 means the bit will shift in left side by 2 digits. Like this 0 and 1 just shift uh, 2 digits left, and the blank part of this shifting process are filled with 2 0. Okay, so current the bit is this one. The binary value is 10. 1 second. This one 00. Sorry, 101000. Okay, 101000. What is the value? So 2 to the power 0 0 plus 2 to the power 1 0 plus 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 3 8 plus 2 to the power 4 0 plus 2 to the power 5 32. What is the output? So the output is 40. Just see the output, 40. Correct? So this is all about left shift in bitwise operator. If you want to shift one, like this one, this type, print A, left shift 1, this type. Okay, so what does it mean? It means the bit is only shift one side. Okay, like the output is 101000. Then the final value is 0 plus 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 0 plus 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 2 4, 2 to the power 3 8, 2 to the power 4 16. 0 1 2 3 4, that value is 20. Correct? 20. Correct? So if you don't find any value, just ask to Python, he will give us that final value. So this is all about the left shift. Sorry, this is all about the left shift. So let's move forward to right shift. Right shift. So what do we mean by right shift? So let's do practically. Print A, right shift 2. What does it mean? It means the value will shifted to the right side. The binary value is shifted to the right side, and the blank value is filled with 0. But when the value will shifted to the right side, whose value will be shifted, that value will be invisible. That value will be no, there is only 4 bits here. The final value will deal with the only 4 bits, not left shift like 6 bits. Okay, so the value will be invisible, the value does not count. So the final output is here is 0 0 and 1 0. Okay, this is the final value, and the output is 2 to the power 0 0 plus 2 to the power 1 2 plus 0 to the power 2 0, and also the final value is 2. The output is 2. Correct? Let's see. 2. Correct? So how this thing works? So this is the difference between the right shift and left shift. So let's deal with one more example. This type. Print a right shift 1. What is the final value? Only we shift the one value. So the final value is 0 1. Like just shift here 1, just remove here 0, then 0 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0 1, and then find like 0, then 2 to the power 0 1 first time. Correct? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 0, done. 2 to the power 2 1, 2 to the power 2 1, 2 to the power 2 matlab 4 value, and 2 to the power 3 0 0. That means 0. That's value will be 5. Just see 5. Correct? If we have deal with B, so we also do. Why not B? So why we consider only A? So only for D with B. Okay. So B means what? Right shift to. Okay. So this one is 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. Then find the sum. 2 to the power 0 1 plus all 0. All 0. 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 1 0, 2 to the power 2 0, and 2 to the power 3 0. That value is 1. Okay, and then print B right shift to 1. Then what do you think? Just run one second. Okay, that's 1, and that this value is 2. How is this value is 2? So let's find this type. So B is 1 shift. So 1 shift for 0 0. That value is 0 0 1 0. Okay, 0 0 1 0. Okay, when we will shift the only 1 0 up to the right, then 0 will be fill this part, and this will this all bits are shifted toward right by 1 digit, so by 1 place. Okay, this all this thing shifted to the right by 1 place. Okay, 1 space. This shifted this just shift right, just right shift. Okay, so this one 0 0 1 0, the value is 0 plus 2 to the power 0 0, 2 to the power 1 is 2, then plus, then 0, then plus, then 0. The value is 2. Okay, so the final output here is 2. Correct? Also run 2. Okay, so this is all about the bitwise operator. I think I really clearly, I really told all about the bitwise operator. So I hope there is there is a there is a no there is a no doubt about this bitwise operator at this point. So I hope bitwise operator is I hope you clearly understand this bitwise operator, and if you not understand, so please watch this bitwise operator again and again, and this practice more questions. then it's clearly understand to you that what do you mean by bitwise operator. Okay, so this is all about the bitwise operator. So I think I'm done with all types of bitwise operator. This is all the value here. So this is all about the bitwise operator, and so I hope all clear. Okay, so just comment out and just comment out. Okay, and let's move forward. So what is the next operator? I'm done with all five types of operator, and there are only two remaining operator here. So our sixth operator is membership operator in our operator family. So what do you mean by membership operator? So membership operator, that's deal with only two, in and not in. What do you mean by in and not in? So in means true if a value found in sequence. In any sequence, like if you deal with some string, dictionary, and list, so you use membership operator there, and you will find that's how membership operator will be work. Okay, so membership operator. Let's start with membership operator. There is in and not in inside the membership operator. What do you mean by in? So in true if value found in sequence, not in uh, true if value not found. Okay. So when we deal with a list, a string, and dictionary, so we use these membership operators in and not in. What do you mean by list and this thing? So I will tell you in upcoming video in detail. So currently you just know there is some sequence of character inside a box. There is some square bracket, there is some curly braces, that's one. So this is all about the string and dictionary. Currently, that's a key value pair and something. So currently uh, you just uh, you just analyze about membership operator how this thing work. Okay, so let's do it practically on VS Code. Okay, so this is all about the membership operator. Membership operator. Okay. So, what does it mean? Like, if you have a list of nums equal to this is the list. There is some five character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, if we have to find like print three in nums, like three inside the nums in not. Though then three is inside the num. Okay. So, three inside the num. Then the value is two. Print 10. 10 is not inside the num. Na? So the value is false. And print 10 not in num. So the 10 is not in num. That's a true. That's the value is true. That's print A in apple. That's also true. So this is all about the membership operator. So let's do it practically. Like if take any another type of list. Okay, if A equal to 11, create a list with the square bracket. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is the list. We have to use a membership operator here. So print, and if you have to find some like print 11 in A. Okay, the output is true. Then print 11 not in A. Not in A. What is the output? The 11 in A. The output is false. Correct. So just see what is the output here. So correct. The output is false, and here the output is true. All these two things are correct. If we have to deal with this, if print 20 in A, what is the output is? The output is false because 20 is not inside A. Okay, and print 20 is not in here. Correct? That's the 20 not in here. Okay, now print what is the output. Correct, false and true. That's 20 inside A, that's a false, and 20 is not inside A, that's a true. So this is all about the membership operator. We only deal with the in and not in. So I hope you clearly understand. So if you clearly understand, let's move to our next and last operator. First of all, just comment out here because we will deal with the next operator. So let's move to our next operator. I think it's all done. So let's move to our next operator, that is identity operator. Okay. So what do you mean by identity operator? So I will tell you all these things. I told you all these things about that identity operator means that compare object identity, not value. Okay, membership that step is a value exists in a sequence, but identity means what? It's only compare object identity, not its value. Okay, so there with identity operator that means like is and is not. Is means what? True if same object in memory. Okay, and is not true if different object. Like if there is a list, there is a two types of list here, A and B. That's the same. Okay, and C equal to A. A equal to that same value. Okay, and same value A equal to B. That's a true. But A is B. That's a false. Because what? These A and B, these two variables, are assigned to a different memory location. These the value is same, I know. You also know the value is same. But the memory location is different. So identity operators deal with the object, deal with the object location, like here, just see here. Identity operator that compare object identity, not its value. That's compare only object identity. Okay, the value is same, I know, but the deal with the object identity. Therefore, the value is your false. And if A equal to C, because uh, these both are uh, these both are shifted. These both are shifted at the same memory location. These both are assigned to a same memory location. Therefore, the value is true because the same object. So let's do it practically. Then we find. Okay. So in VS4 there is some identity operator means this type. Just see identity operator like we deal with we deal with is and is not. We deal with is and is not. Okay. So that's true. We deal with is and is not. Is not. Okay. So let's talk print. Just before print, we have to find here like A equal to get first list 1, 2, 3. Okay, and B equal to another list 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. This value is same, but the memory location is different. So therefore, we just find the difference between with the help of the identity operator. And C equal to A, correct? So now print A equal to B. That's the comparison operator, and with the help of comparison operator, we deal with the value. This value, this give us the true. I correct. You correct. That's if give the value is true. Okay. run. True, correct. But when we deal with identity operator, then what is the value? Then print A is B or not. The value is false. Just one. The value is false because these are two different memory locations. Therefore, the value is false. Now print A is not B. Okay. Then the value is true because two memory locations that is not true. Correct. Correct. And let's do more example like print A is C. Let's see what is the output. True, because this is assigned to a same memory location. Therefore, the value is true. Okay, and the next one is print B is not C. What do you think? What is the output? Just think 1 second, 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, and just give the value. That give the output. So B is not C. That's true because these two are at a different memory location. True, correct. So this is all about our identity operator, and this is our last operator, yeah, in our today class. So just comment and let's back to the PPT. So this is all about the list A and B and the all things we have here. Print this one, this one, this one, and print A is not equal to B. So all these things we have clear. So just take a quick recap. We have deal with all 7 operators, one language. We deal with arithmetic, plus minus, split, division, comparison, double equal to, not equal to, assignment, equal to, plus equal to, logical, and not, bitwise and or XOR, not, right shape, left shape, most important in Python, number shape in and not in, and identity is and not is. So I think this is enough for today's class. Our lecture 3 has been completed. So please watch all 3 lecture and let's move to our next lecture. Let's move forward to our next lecture. So enough for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon. So thank you.